Here are tips to avoid having wrinkled clothing or loads. Remove clothing promptly from the washer. This will prevent wrinkles from setting in. Use the Silk Ultra Delicate cycle or another cycle with a low spin speed to reduce wrinkling. The wash load must be balanced and not overloaded. Loads should move freely during washing. Avoid mixing heavy items like work clothes with light items like blouses. Use fabric softener. Wash in warm or cold water. Washing in water that is too hot can cause wrinkles. Check to make sure that the hot and cold hoses are installed correctly and not reversed. Follow manufacturer's label on clothing for proper fabric care. Warm water will help relax wrinkles.